you ever asked your AI to give you a specific output answer and instead you got back a long text? Today, we're fixing that. With structured outputs, the secret weapon to make AI behave like a well-trained butler, not a drunk intern. Structured outputs are predefined formats for AI responses, like forcing your AI to speak in bullet points instead of rambling. Instead of the AI giving you out a long written answer like this, you get a JSON or dictionary style format answer like this. Why is this important? Because messy outputs can break your APIs and your sanity. If you're trying to use your AI to specifically engage with certain tools, you need specific outputs to be the answer. And structured outputs can help you get there. But how do you force your AI to answer like this? You really just define a schema before and force it through something like a JSON schema or a Pydantic function, and then the LLM gets the perfect answer every time. Let's take a look at how that's going to look in our real world example. Here's the science, and don't worry, you don't need a PhD to understand. First thing you have to do is define a schema of what exactly you want your answers to look like, what things you want it to have, and how that answer should be, whether it be a list, a string, or a text. Use tools like JSON schema or Pydantic to make sure that the AI isn't forced into this answer, and then boom, your AI gives you the perfect answer exactly how you structured it. So let's look at an example of how that looks in the code right now. So let's quickly go over what structured outputs are. And what they are not is magic, so there are ways that they can still work wrong. The schema is too rigid, the AI might not ever find enough information to fill out the answers and therefore keep giving you incomplete answers. So make sure that information you expect to receive is enough to make sure that the schema is filled out. If your temperature is too high, the AI might ignore the rules altogether and just give you wrong answers regardless of the format. When should you be using structured outputs? As you've seen in our example, a good place to use them is when you're going to connect to APIs or integrated databases where you need the answer to look a specific way. If you want to do things like create a story or come up with a plan, a structured output might not be the best. Structured outputs are the unsung heroes of reliable AI tools. If your organization is looking to onboard AI, make sure to check out Axiom AI's open source tool. This will allow you to onboard all your local APIs and other functions you might have with specific input schemas to make sure that your tools can be onboarded into the AI regardless where they're from, be it local databases, Excel functions, macros, or Python scripts, whatever you're working with, it can be onboarded into Axiom AI. So check it out. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more AI hacks and to stay ahead of the innovation curve. Thank you.